Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to remove Passkey in Canva. To remove Passkey in Canva, launch open your Canva application on your device and log into your account first. Once you're in the home page of Canva, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. In the menu pop-up screen, select your username at the top. Now, click on Settings on the next page. Inside Settings, tap on Login and Security. Now, scroll down to Passkey option and you will be able to see if you have enabled Passkey option on your Canva account. Tap on the Remove button right under the Passkey option and click Continue. Enter the code that was sent to your email address associated with Canva to confirm the removal of Passkey. Open up the email that you received from Canva and copy the code inside it. Get back to the Canva app and enter the code or paste it down, and then you have successfully removed the Passkey feature in Canva. Once you've done this, your Canva account will no longer use the Passkey for login in. If you're unable to find the option to remove it, you may want to check Canva's Help Center or contact support for more detailed assistance. So there you have it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.